Hello everyone, today we're going to make this restaurant style vegetable biryani. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. Boil about 3 liters of water. To it, add 3 green cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Add 3.5 teaspoons of salt, adding 3.5 cup of pre-soaked Sella Basmati rice. Boil until 85% cooked, then strain. Make sure to save some of that strained water. In a pressure cooker, add 5 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 9 cloves, and 12 black peppercorns. Adding 2 bay leaf. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of ginger and garlic disappears. Then add 3 large fried onions. Mix it together. Adding 1 sliced zucchini, 3 sliced carrots, 3 potatoes cut into small pieces, 3 chopped tomatoes, adding 1 small cauliflower cut into small pieces, and 1 cup of frozen green peas. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 6 dry aloo Bukhara, 2 sliced green chilies, 2.5 tablespoons of Shan Sindhi Biryani Masala, 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 60 ml of water. Don't add too much water because the tomatoes will also release water. Pressure cooking for only 5 minutes until the vegetables get cooked. Layering the pot with 50% of rice, all of the vegetable mixture, adding some coriander leaves, adding the rest of the basmati rice, adding about 60 ml of strained rice water as we only cooked rice 85%, adding red food color, some saffron mixed in 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of ghee, topping it off with some coriander leaves and some fried onions, keeping it on the lowest heat setting for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.